In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your project from Clipchamp quickly and safely. If you've finished editing a video, created a test project you no longer need, or just want to clean up your dashboard, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't accidentally delete the wrong project. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.clipchamp.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Clipchamp home dashboard. This is where all of your video projects are stored. You'll see your recent projects displayed in a grid layout, including drafts and completed videos. Now, scroll through your projects and locate the one you want to delete. Take a moment here to double-check the project name and thumbnail preview to make sure it's the correct one. Remember, once a project is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so it's important to confirm before moving forward. When you found the correct project, move your mouse over it. In the top corner of the project card, you'll see 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. After clicking the 3 dots, a small menu will appear with different options related to that specific project. From this list, click on Delete. This tells Clipchamp that you want to permanently remove this project from your account. As soon as you click Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Clipchamp adds this extra step to prevent accidental deletions, which is very helpful. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your choice. To complete the process, click on Yes, Remove. Once you do that, Clipchamp will immediately delete the project from your dashboard. You'll notice that it disappears from your project list right away. And that's it. Your project has now been successfully deleted from Clipchamp. Just as a quick reminder, deleting a project removes the project file and its editing timeline. If you haven't exported your video before deleting the project, you won't be able to recover it later, so always make sure you've downloaded your final video if you still need it. If you're cleaning up multiple projects, simply repeat the same process for each one. Click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm with Yes, Remove. Keeping your dashboard organized makes it much easier to manage your video workflow, especially if you create content regularly. Removing unused or outdated projects can help you stay focused and avoid confusion when working on new edits. I hope this tutorial helped you understand exactly how to delete your project from Clipchamp. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp guides, editing tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.